Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to follow electrical college voting. Just tap on this browser and visiting on nas.org official website. What is the electrical college? The electoral college is not a physical place, it is a process which include the selection of electorals, meeting of electors. So who cast votes for the president and vice president? Counting of the electoral votes by Congress. So you will see in other US elections, candidates are elected directly by popular vote, but the president and vice president are not elected directly by citizen. Instead, they are chosen through the electoral college process, and each state gets as many electors as it as member of Congress, House and Senate, including Washington DC. Three electors. There are currently 538 electors in all. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.